Welcome to PyProjectMate. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to code a dice roll simulator using Python. Let's begin with Flowchart. First, download the image of each face of a dice as shown on the screen. Next, make a list of paths to each of the image. Then start a loop and generate a random number between 1 and 6. Print the image corresponding to the selected number. Add a delay by asking for a key press so that image remains on screen till we want to re-roll. This process keeps on repeating till we pass an interrupt, after which the code ends. Now let's have a walkthrough of the code. In line 3, we have imported random package which will help in getting random number between 1 to 6. In next line, we have imported CV2 package that will help to load and display the images. In line 6, we have made a path variable which stores list of all paths to images. In line 9, there is an infinite while loop which will only stop when we explicitly interrupt the code. It is generally done by pressing Ctrl+C on the terminal. Inside the loop, at line 10, we have defined a random number variable that will contain random value between 0 to 5. We are taking 0 to 5 instead of 1 to 6 as addressing in Python starts from 0. In next line, we are loading the image in the im variable by passing path of image to imRead method of CV2. In line 12, we are displaying the loaded image by using imShow method of CV2. At the end, we have used waitKey method from CV2 package to insert a delay so that dice will get re-rolled after a key is pressed. Now let's see the output. After running the code, we got 6 on our first dice roll. If I cross this window, then the dice will re-roll. Let's do it. Now I got 2. Once more I got 2. Then 1, 6, 1, 6, 3, 5, 1, 2. Now let's stop the code. If you found this video helpful, then do like and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you.